Check out the new shirt, guys. Right on. Shout out to the boys, Bomb Squad, all the way in Kona. I go whack and wear them right now. Is this the one? Bomb Squad. Yes, sir. Man, I'm digging this shirt. Bomb Squad Kona. Mahalo Kazen. Brother Redford. You hook it up. You know when you go to the gym, you lift too much weight. But then the kind stay the kind, eh? Right on, cuz. But you know what? The thing that don't feed me is this ammo right here, cuz. But ain't no worries, man. All I gotta do is gotta stop bumping the iron, you know what I mean? That's right. Mahalo, brother. Woo, cousin.